Bakit nga ba sikat na sikat ang mga big-ticket railway projects sa YouTube at sa mainstream media? Bakit kaya trend dito at trend doon ang mga nababalitaan natin? Simple lang ang sagot dyan. Railway is the most efficient land-based mass transportation system. Talagang papunta na tayo sa Philippines' golden age of railways. Dahil nga ongoing nang ginagawa ang mga big-ticket railway projects tulad ng LRT1, Cavite Extension, MRT7, Metro Manila Subway, at North-South Commuter Railway projects. Balikan naman natin, talakayan at ikumpara ang ating mga old versus the new and future train models ng ating bansa. Before we proceed with the comparison, alam nyo ba that the fastest train today is Japan's L0 series maglev na may top land speed na 602 km per hour or 374 miles per hour. And the fastest conventional electric train naman is France TGV POS na kayang umabot hanggang 575 km per hour or 357 miles per hour. Grabe, ang bilis, diba? Though napakalayo pa natin sa top speed ng the world's fastest trains, ay hindi rin naman tayo pahuhuli sa pag-unlad at sa pagkakaroon ng mga makabagong tren at railways. Tara at ikumpara natin sila. Simulan natin with LRT1 or the Green Line. The oldest and active train set for the LRT1 is the LRTA 1000 class or the first generation na ginawa sa bansang Belgium. 1984 nung unang ginamit ito at karamihan sa kanila ay na-refurbish na. 60 km per hour ang maximum speed nito at may maximum capacity na 1,122 passengers per trip. Next is the LRTA 1100 class or the second generation na made in South Korea. 1999 nung unang ginamit ito. May maximum speed na 60 km per hour at may maximum capacity na 1,358 passengers per trip. Sumunod naman ang LRTA 1200 class or the third generation na made in Japan. Sa kasalukuyan, ito ang pinakabagong active tren na ginagamit ng LRT1. 2006 siya unang ginamit na may maximum speed na 60 km per hour at maximum capacity na 1,388 passengers per trip. Ang pinakabagong tren ng LRT1 ay ang LRTA 13,000 class or the fourth generation. Made in Spain and Mexico ito na currently undergoing the 5,000 kilometers testing bago tuluyang ipagamit sa publiko. A total of 30 new train sets will be added to cater the existing line and the LRT1 Cavite Extension. May maximum speed na 70 km per hour at maximum capacity na 1,388 passengers per trip. The 13,000 class has high-performance air conditioning and is PWD friendly with a special area for wheelchairs with seat belts. Let's proceed with the LRT2 or the Purple Line. LRT2 has only one type of rolling stock, the LRTA 2000 class or the first generation na made in South Korea. 2003 ito unang ginamit. May maximum speed na 80 km per hour at maximum capacity na 1,628 passengers per trip. As of the shooting of this video, no new train models are being ordered for LRT2. Next is MRT3 or the Yellow Line. The oldest train for the MRT3 is the MRTC 3000 class or the first generation. This train model was made in Czech Republic. 1999 nung unang ginamit ito with a maximum speed of 65 km per hour at maximum capacity na 1,576 passengers per trip. The newest train naman for the MRT3 is the MRTC 3100 class or the second generation made in China. 2019 unang ginamit ito at naging fully operational lang last year. It has a maximum speed of 65 km per hour and maximum capacity of 1,576 passengers per trip. And last but not the least is the Philippine National Railway. The oldest PNR train locomotives are the Series 900 with 6 units currently active and Series 2500 with 1 unit active. Both the Series 900 and Series 2500 have a maximum speed of 103 kilometers per hour. For the DMU or diesel multiple unit naman, the Hyundai Rotem is the oldest and was first used in 2009 with a maximum speed of 80 kilometers per hour and a maximum capacity of 674 passengers. The newest locomotive is Series 9000 or the Inca CC300, which is made in Indonesia. It has a maximum speed of 120 kilometers per hour. The newest DMU is the Class 8000 and Class 8100 or the Inca K3 coach. Both models are made in Indonesia with a maximum speed of 100 kilometers per hour and maximum capacity of 750 and 1,000 passengers respectively. Natapos na natin ang LRT1, LRT2, MRT3 at PNR Train Sets. Let's proceed naman sa mga makabagong train sets ng MRT7, Metro Manila Subway at North-South Commuter Railway. MRT7, a 22.8-kilometer railway line that will run from North Avenue Station in Quezon City until San Jose del Monte Station in Bulacan. It will have a total of 14 stations. Partial operability is in late 2024 to 2025. MRT7 will be using the Hyundai Rotem train sets made in South Korea with a 3-car configuration. It has a maximum speed of 90 kilometers per hour and maximum capacity of 1,166 passengers per trip. Metro Manila Subway Project or MMSP. This is the very first subway of the Philippines. A 33.1-kilometer railway line from East Valenzuela Station in Valenzuela City until Bicutan Station in Parañaque City. It will have a total of 17 stations. Partial operability in 2025. The MMSP will be using the Sustina Electric Multiple Units or EMU series train sets made in Japan with an 8-car configuration. 240 train cars or 30 train sets are being built as of this time under contract package CP107 by the Sumitomo J-Trek joint venture. It has a maximum speed of 120 kilometers per hour and maximum capacity of 2,242 passengers per trip. North-South Commuter Railway, a 147-kilometer railway line from New Clark City in Capas Tarlac until Calamba, Laguna. It will have a total of 36 stations. Partial operability is in late 2025. The NSCR will be using the same train sets as the Metro Manila Subway, renamed as the PNR EM 10,000 class. Made in Japan din ito with an 8-car configuration. Currently, 408 train cars were ordered by the DOTR under contract package CP03 and CPNS02 and are also being made by the Sumitomo J-Trek joint venture. This train set is categorized as the Commuter Express with a maximum speed of 120 kilometers per hour and maximum capacity of 2,242 passengers per trip. The NSCR will also have Airport Express train sets based on the Narita Express or NEX E259 series. It will have a maximum speed of 160 km per hour and will have an airline-style open coach seating. As of this time, no contract package has been awarded yet. Possible design proposals include the Stadler Flirt 200 and CAF commuter train to Lucca. Talagang papalapit na ang Philippines Golden Age of Railways dahil kitang-kita naman natin na tuloy-tuloy ang construction at pag-a-assemble ng mga train sets nito. Since infrastructure projects are synonymous to property investments, ano nga ba ang magiging direct impact nito? According to the study of Colliers Philippines and the Asian Development Bank or ADB, all properties within 1 kilometer of any railway station will increase twofolds in capital appreciation. Wow! SMDC has positioned almost all of its developments near the LRT1 Cavite Extension, Metro Manila Subway, and the North-South Commuter Railway. Para na rin ma-maximize ang pagtaas ng capital appreciation at property growth ng mga ito. Here are the latest SMDC discounts and promotions na pwede nyong i-avail for this month. Number 1, 60 Days of Christmas. This promo is applicable to all projects and will allow the buyers to settle the first monthly down payment 60 days after the booking date. Number 2, Intense Promo. This promo is applicable to the selected residences displayed on your screen. Get an instant 10% off on the unit of your choice. For lush residences, get a maximum 15% discount of up to 1.4 million pesos or $26,000 for a 1-bedroom with balcony unit. Number 3. IWI Promo. This promo is applicable to the selected residences displayed on your screen. Get an instant 25% off on the unit of your choice. Get a maximum discount of 2.3 million pesos or $42,000 for selected IWI units. Big down, big discount promo. If meron ka ng malaking savings at willing kang mag-spot DP, this is the best promo for you. This promo is applicable to all projects and pwede rin itong i-combo sa iba pang promo to get additional discounts. Kindly see the table displayed on your screen for the discount details. And number 5, Intensified Promo. This promo is applicable to the selected residences displayed on your screen. This promo will allow the buyer to get big discounts on the TLP. Get a maximum TLP discount of 2.3 million pesos or $42,000 for a 2-bedroom condo unit in Leaf Residences. Guys, excited na ba kayong masakyan ang mga makabagong trend ng LRT1, MRT7, Metro Manila Subway, at North-South Commuter Railway? World class naman talaga ang mga train designs nila, di ba? Let me know also if you like how I presented the comparison by leaving me a comment down below. If you learned and like it a lot, give it a thumbs up and click the subscribe button for more content like this. Follow me on my Facebook page, Twitter, and Instagram at Desay Barretto. And if you're interested to invest now with SMDC residences located nearby the big-ticket railway projects, just send me a direct message on my Facebook page. See you in my next video. God bless!